Kia ora guys, come along with me for a day in the life of an outdoor room company installer. This is a repair for a blind, an outdoor blind. Customer says there's too much tension, it's too tight when the blind is at the bottom half of the track. So this is me just figuring out whether I am what's the process to go through in order to make some changes. And so what I end up doing here is there's plastic stops at the bottom, so this is me trying to remove those stops here. There's also rivets that keep the track fixed into the channel, so what I'm trying to do is just find out how to get that channel less tense. So yeah, just mucking around. That's me mucking around trying to go and find my special tool in order to help loosen up the track, because the rain causes a bit of slipperiness. So I come back with my tool. Arch, nice arch. And re-drill the new holes for the rivets. Oh no, that was take another rivet out. Hey. Find the new tension point. Yeah, pretty happy with the up and down. Yeah, cool. Okay. Now I drill out the new holes. And go ahead, grab a rivet gun, pop the rivet. Change the angle. Another hole. Boom. Riveter. Pow. Another hole. Pow. Another rivet. Pow. And this is me putting the lock back on, the bottom lock, to keep the blind down in windy weather. Automatic lock. Quick check myself first before I make sure it does up and down nicely before I invite the customer out to come and have a bit of a get-a-geese. Come on,
there we go. See if you notice any difference or not.
It's a lot easier. What was it?
So this track here, there was too much tension in the fabric.
Oh yeah.
From the bottom being pushed a bit too far out. So I've just taken some of these rivets out, pulled the track out a bit closer, and that's relieved some of the tension. The wind creates another false tension, false fabric like that, and then you can't. But if that's what's happening, then you just give it a tap.
Oh, okay.
That'll work against the wind as you're trying to get it up.
That's your butt.
Oh, don't forget to drink that. Hold on, mate. I'm moving too quickly.
I was going to say, if you want me to pop you on the microwave and warm it up, you're alright.
Got a bit cold, eh? No.
Do you want it?
I'm just joking. It's still nice and hot. Very hot. Thank you.
So just going around, adding a bit of 808 silicone spray, lubrication where the fabric meets the metal, aluminium, sorry. And while I'm here, I might as well lubricate all sides of all three blinds. And boy, do I love my job.
Would you like this one left up or down or? Thank you very much.
No worries, thank you.
Appreciate that hot drink. Enjoy the rest of your moist day, and I'll carry on.
Yeah, cheers.
Awesome, thank you very much. Please let us know if anything else comes up with this space, and we'll come straight back. Awesome, thanks. Done and dusted, guys. Love the bright.
Nice. Yeah. Thank you for joining me for my first little video, even exercise. Yeah, for your outdoor blinds or patio roofs needs, desires. Feel free to get in touch with the Outdoor Room Co. Link in the bio. Like, comment, subscribe. Church.